Colby, what are you doing? What is that? What are you doing? What are you eating?
Cake.
Cake? Is it good cake? Who made the cake?
Cake.
No, who made it?
I.
Did you make it? Who helped you? Yeah. Who's the cake for?
Mine.
No, not yours. Whose birthday is it today?
Happy.
Happy what? Whose birthday is it? Is it Mama's birthday?
Mama birthday.
Where's Mama? Is that good? Yeah.
My dog.
Who's letting you do this? Who told you to frost it?
Meanwhile, nuclear Roger Hey, what?
Okay, I think you're done eating it. Put it up here. Put it down. Daddy help you frost it later, okay? Put it down. Watch TV again. Okay, Colby, really, you're done. Let's be done.
Okay.
Daddy will help you frost it later, okay? Look at the camera. Say,
What?
say bye-bye. Bite. You can take a bite.
Huh?
Take a bite. No, of the cake.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, right there. Yep.
Sorry.
Okay, all done. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Can you smile? Look at the camera and smile. Say bye-bye.
Hi.
Say I love you.
Hello.